Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. Back from Switzerland. I arrived 2 days ago from Rhodes, Greece, which was so amazing. I truly loved it and we are going back for sure, maybe already next year, hopefully manifesting. And yeah, I came back to Basel, to a sunny Switzerland, sunny Basel, which makes me so happy. And also, I don't know if you can see, but my peonies are dry and I have to replace them. So I just thought I'm gonna get ready, get some matcha or a coffee from outside, and then go get some peonies. And I really hope there's not gonna be some traffic because the Eurovision started last week already, I think, if I understood it correctly. And yeah, I hope I'm gonna get through it quite quickly because it's near my house, actually, in St. Jakob, and then to other stations, I don't remember where. And yeah, I hope I'm not gonna stop by traffic. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna go get something fun to drink. But I'm glad you're back and let's enjoy these days together.
Dan moet ik verhuizen, dan heb ik een congres in Parijs. Dan heb ik oktober, november weer. En in december heb ik mijn afstuderen. Ja.
Hello guys, it's some days later and I just got ready. Quick fit check. And we're going to get maybe some veggies, some fruits, or in general plants. We will see what the store has to offer so I can reorganize my little terrace. So let's go pick some plants. Good morning, guys. It's some days later. I didn't talk to you guys, which I'm really sorry about, and I also didn't really vlog this weekend, but it was so much fun and so lovely. We really enjoyed the spring days, and I love when spring is like converting into summer, you know what I mean? Like everything's green and it's getting warmer. Even in the morning it's a little bit warmer and everything is blooming. I just love that. And yeah, I went with my family on an ice cream day, which was so lovely and so good. It's this ice cream place which is called Gabriella, and they fabricate ice cream depending on what they're growing in their gardens, which is so lovely. And after that, I decided spontaneously to go again pick some more peonies for my vase, because sadly the ones I picked didn't really open up. I'm having them opening up a little bit, but it's not really working, which is quite sad, but hopefully they're coming. And I took Becca with me and we watched the sunset, which was so lovely. Didn't vlog, but I'm just gonna show you some pictures. It was so cute, love that, and she also enjoyed it to the fullest. And yeah, and also with what I wanted to mention, I got a journal which I picked some days ago, actually, before I even went to Greece. I actually got inspired. I mentioned some videos back that I'm not good at writing or expressing my feelings, but I have decided to just try it. And honestly, I am really enjoying it to the fullest, like putting in some stickers or some things that I picked up when we went, for example, to a restaurant, and also our trip to Greece. I just love it. I didn't think I would love to journal this much. Like, I even wrote 4 pages yesterday. Me. And yeah, I just love putting in the things in my journal. I have implemented it on my daily routine and I really hope I'm maintaining it. Yeah, I really love it. And since today, sadly, the weather is really bad. It is raining, which makes me quite, like, I am happy that like the plants and everything is getting some water, and also the bears I saw, it hasn't as much water as it should have. But also I can't do the fun spring activities for some while because the floor isn't dry and I can't lay down, picnic or something like this. I'm really dramatic, sorry about it. I'm gonna see what I can do these days, but I think I'm just gonna be a homebody and do also some fun things inside. With that being said, let's go.